Hey guys, welcome to Vesna TV Home. For today's episode, I am showing you my outdoor Halloween decor. So I'm starting off with my box of Halloween stuff. Some of this stuff I won't actually put out until the day of Halloween. So this ghost and this witch I'll put out there then, only because they take batteries and if they get wet, because I don't have a covered porch, they might get damaged. So I put those out then. They also make a lot of noise, so I don't like to put them out too much before Halloween. So up until about a week ago, this is what my porch looked like, and then all the pumpkins rotted. So I had to take those off. I had put in these pumpkin lights. They're super cute. They just kind of like follow the path and you can plug them in. So it's great. You don't need a battery. Then I made these little tombstones last year, which I put in along with the zombie hands and the skeleton hands. And then I made these cages actually this year. If you want to check out how to make this, I'll link the video up here. And I put them out. So this is what I kind of had out to start, and then I added more as I felt inspired, I guess. And these are great, these tombstones, because they're made out of pressure treated wood. So they keep really well. I did add some Dollar Tree ones you'll see at the end, but they're styrofoam, so I kind of take them back in when it's super windy. And these not laundry baskets, these cages worked out really well. They've been keeping up really, really well. And then I like to add the witch's feet into the garden, so it looks like the witch smashed into the garden. Now, I did take down these hostas because I was filming this over time. I couldn't finish it. We started to have some bad weather, so then I had to kind of go back and do it after. I did chop down the hostas and move them around a little bit, but you'll see where they are now. And then I added this hand into my mom's, and I added the witch here. I wound up taking it down because I bought something else for here, and we put that above the garage. These pumpkins unfortunately rotted, so they're gone too. I'm just kind of explaining the whole process. We had a really hot fall, so I'm not sure why they rotted, but some of these bigger ones rotted. The blue one is okay, but the orange ones all rotted and we had to throw them out. I had this little wreath that I thought I would keep in the mailbox, but then I changed my mind and I put them down. These little ghosts have been okay. I did a good job sticking them on there, so they're not flying away yet. And then I kept the turkey until our Thanksgiving was done, and then I've taken that away as well. And then I just have a random arm in the garden, because why not? Okay, so here's everything changed up a little bit. I moved the ghosts, I moved these little brooms, and the pumpkins are still there because they were good. And those ghosts are still there. I made this sign last year and thought I'd share that with you too. If you want to check that out, I'll actually just link my Halloween DIY playlist to the description. That way, if you want to check it out, you can check it out. And this was kind of it for the first little while. And then I went back, like I said, and I put more stuff up. I got this doll. And this is kind of the only really kind of creepy thing that I have. Everything else is kind of like spooky, but it's a fun spooky. And then because I got that doll, we moved the witch and we put it up there. My husband had to do that because he had to climb the ladder. And normally I would stick ghosts on around the lights, but I haven't done that this year. But I thought it would look funny if the witch was kind of stuck to the garage. So throughout this whole process, my helpers were here helping, and my husband had put these guys up. They love these blow up. Like, look at the little guy jumping up and down. He was so excited. They love the little pumpkin that we have there, and they just think it's the best decorating for Halloween. So this is really all for that. So once those was blown up, I decided to show you what it looks like at night. I've put out this pumpkin, and again, I bring him back in when it's supposed to rain because my porch is not covered and I don't want him getting wet. He makes noises as well. I've moved the ghosts there, and I've gotten rid of the rotten pumpkins, and everything is really lit up nicely. Then I've got the tombstones here, and so as you can see, I added the Dollar Tree ones. And then I also added these witches that I made myself. But again, those ones I kind of put in and out depending on how windy it is, because I'm afraid we've been having crazy winds, and the way our house is positioned, the wind sometimes is really strong there. And so this is basically what my front looks like for Halloween. It's a lot, but not a lot, I think. Some people put out a lot more, but this is kind of just enough. It's a good balance. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and my next video on this home channel will be on November 17th, but remember, I post weekly over on my DIY channel, so if you're missing me, go back there and give me some support on that channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day and stay safe.